In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and edit a custom HTML email template on Mailchimp. Perfecting your email marketing can be a game changer, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to effectively manage your custom email templates within Mailchimp. Let's get started. First things first, let's prepare your HTML file. Ensure your email template is saved as a single .html file. This makes it much easier to manage and upload. If your email includes images, remember to upload these images to a web server or cloud storage. Use absolute URLs in your HTML file to properly point to these images. This step is critical as it ensures that your images will be displayed correctly to all recipients, regardless of network permissions or email client settings. It's also important to focus on using inline CSS styles within your HTML. Mailchimp doesn't support style tags placed within the head of the document, so make sure any stylistic changes are in line. This could be a little extra work initially, but it ensures compatibility with Mailchimp and results in a consistent appearance in users' inboxes. Once your HTML file is ready, log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to the site and use your credentials to sign in. After logging in, navigate to the Campaigns tab, which you'll find in the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll have the ability to manage all your marketing campaigns. From the Campaigns section, click on Create Campaign and choose Email. For this tutorial, we're going with regular email, but feel free to select an option that best suits your specific campaign needs. After choosing your campaign type, it's time to select a template. Under the Content section, you'll see Design Email. Click this to begin customizing your email. To insert your HTML, drag and drop a code block into your email design. You'll see an option to paste your HTML code into an editor. This is where you'll place the code from your prepared HTML file. If there are any final adjustments needed, go ahead and make these edits directly within the HTML editor. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Close to ensure your template is saved. It's absolutely vital to preview your email next. Utilize Mailchimp's preview and test feature to check the responsiveness and overall look of your email. This can save you from embarrassing mishaps before sending it out to your entire contact list. Finally, send a test email to make sure everything displays correctly across different devices and mail clients. Checking on a few different screens will give you confidence that your email will appear professional and polished to all recipients. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully import and edit your custom HTML email template in Mailchimp with seamless integration and professional results. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.